Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 28th of June, 2024. Indian equity indices extended their rally to fresh record highs on June 28, with Nifty crossing another milestone 24,100 and Sensex 79,600 led by Reliance Industries and other heavyweights. However, selling at higher levels erased all the day's gains to end in the red. At close, the Sensex was down 210.45 points or 0.27% at 79,032.73, and the Nifty was down 33.90 points or 0.14% at 24,010.60. Biggest Nifty gainers included ONGC, Dr. Reddy's Labs, Reliance Industries, SBI Life Insurance and Tata Motors, while losers were IndusInd Bank, BHARTI Airtel, Axis Bank, Asain Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank. Talking about the corporate segment, we have Central Depository Services shares surged 15.9% on the NSE today to reach a new 52-week high of 2,324.80 rupees, following the board's announcement of a meeting on July 2 to consider issuing bonus shares to eligible shareholders. Meeting of the Board of Directors of Central Depository Services, India, Limited, CDSL Company, is scheduled to be held on Tuesday, July 2, 2024, inter alia, to consider and approve the proposal for issuance of bonus shares, if any, subject to the approval of the shareholders of the company said in an exchange filing. If approved, this would mark CDSL's first issuance of bonus shares, as indicated by available exchange data. CDSL, one of India's two leading depositories alongside National Securities Depository Limited, NSDL, facilitates the electronic storage and exchange of assets and the settlement of trades through demat accounts. Shares of GODREJ Properties surged over 2% to hit an all-time high of 3,170 rupees apiece on June 28 after it reported highest-ever pre-sales of 22,500 rupees crore in financial year 2024. With this, it has now become the largest developer in terms of bookings. GODREJ Properties pre-sales rose by 84% year-on-year in financial year 2024, 61% higher than its guidance. Following this, analysts at Motilal Oswal shared a buy call for GODREJ Properties and upped target price to 3,600 rupees per share, indicating an upside of 13% from current levels. GODREJ Properties delivered an exceptional performance in financial year 2024, and given the healthy demand environment, the management is confident of delivering consistent growth over the medium term, they wrote. The performance was mainly led by new launches, which increased by 65% in financial year 2024, of which 70% were absorbed during the year and contributed 70% to total pre-sales. Pre-sales in NCR trebled to 10,000 rupees crore, whereas Mumbai metropolitan region rose over twofold to 6,500 rupees crore. Shares of BHARTI Airtel hit an all-time high while Vodafone Idea and Indus Towers stock scaled 52-week peaks in morning deals on June 28 as leading telecom firms in India have started increasing mobile plan tariffs. The stocks, however, gave up gains later in the day and were trading up to 3% lower. According to Morgan Stanley, the tariff hikes are in line with market expectations in terms of timing and magnitude. Reliance Jio revised tariffs on Thursday, followed by BHARTI Airtel, which hiked rates by 10% to 21%. BHARTI Hexacom Circle rates have also been hiked. According to Toher Badshaw of Invesco Mutual Fund, the hikes were expected within the industry. In an interview with CNBC TV 18, he noted a cautious approach toward spending on spectrum acquisition, suggesting companies that have effectively executed their strategies and delivered strong results have experienced a re-rating in their valuations. Shares of NAZARA Technologies Limited surged 6% on June 28 after the gaming firm's subsidiary signed an agreement to acquire 86.49% stake of Freaks 4U Gaming for 271.48 rupees crore by share swap. NAZARA Tech already owns 13.51% stake of Freaks 4U and will hold 57% after the completion of the deal, the company said in a statement on June 28. It will have an exclusive right to acquire the balance 43% stake from the Germany-based firm's founders at its discretion, the company statement added. The acquisition will be carried out by Nodwin Gaming International, a wholly owned subsidiary of Nodwin Gaming Private Limited, which is a material subsidiary of NAZARA Technologies, the stock exchange filing said. The deal will help Nodwin improve its penetration in the developed markets and serve as a revenue driver, the firm said. Central Depository Services Limited in daily time frame is trading around 2,387.25 points with a change of 18.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 21.717 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average, 2,106.86, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.69. NAZARA Technologies Limited in daily time frame is trading around 121.80 points with a change of 15.4% and is trading with a net volume of around 832.5 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average, 102.61, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 68.88. DigiSpice Technologies Limited in daily time frame is trading around 45.39 points with a change of 15.26% and is trading with a net volume of around 6.282 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average, 38.64, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 79.83. For the stock recommendation we have, NTPC Limited looks good and can be bought at 379 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 367 rupees and a target of 395 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.